Okay, guys, today I'm gonna be okay,
Okay, you guys are ready for the surprise? What about you, Ariel?
Yeah, that was me.
It's the surprise. Yeah. Look at this, guys.
Look.
Yeah. Let's go inside. So, guys, what are we gonna do today,
Okay.
huh? I don't know.
Okay, I do have to swallow my language.
Yeah, just sick.
I really did. Oh!
Does he have the hiccups?
Yep, he really has the hiccups.
Yeah, you have the hiccups.
Yeah, the hiccups.
I can't have the hiccups.
Oh, nothing that must be jerking. Big Robin.
I'll scare him.
I'm ready. Where's that guy? Oh yeah, I'll be right back to him.
Okay.
Oh,
that didn't work.
Reaction. Yep, he is. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's my phone?
Yep. You really got your phone, no phone?
Oh yeah. You see? You know my brother, right, Robin?
No, we just made a cartoon.
Yeah, he has the hiccups.
We really did.
What did you just say? Never mind. Just help him with his hiccups.
Yeah.
I need water.
Yeah, that was really hard to do. Yeah. Well, thanks for doing it for the video, at least.
Sweetie, come here.
Oh, I think she's talking about you.
How do you not know she's talking about you? I don't know. I thought you had hiccups too. It was just frustrating, huh?
No, okay, follow me.
Come on, now I have to react to this video all by myself.
Okay, come
no,
here, sweetie.
Oh, okay. Ah!
Dang it! I'm gonna
Hey!
get it. Oh, I already had revenge. But
This is not my fault. Guys, I'm in trouble. I think she's coming.
I planned to do that. Your hiccups are gone, sweetie.
Ow, 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 ow.
Why did she hit me?
You should have never beaten me.
Why?
Just get out of here, Grandma.
Okay, that actually hurted.
Just a waste of time.
Oh,
she just hurt herself.
Yep.
Robin.
So what are we gonna do now?
Okay.
I wish there was a solution.
Solution. You get it?
You know, right?
Solution.
I
don't get it. Solution.
Eagle.
What? Eagle. Stop playing with me.
Stop playing with me? Yeah,
oh no.
Stop.
She has hiccups too.
Stop.
Ah!
I will turn off this entire phone.
Oh. Ah!
Okay, I'm not really gonna turn off the phone.
Oh no. Oh no. Don't hiccup!
I was just playing with you.
Okay. Hiccup.
She was playing with me. Ariel's a liar.
Yes.
She said she actually had
I'll go home to celebrate.
You're supposed to assume that she had hiccups.
What do we do now?
It's in the video. Oh no. Oh
I know what
no.
we do.
You know, this is bull
Wait, follow
crap.
me.
I'm out of here. Don't say crap again.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you.
Just come over here. Jeez, you don't have to talk so...
Bye.
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 Yeah, that was actually...
I have to ask you a question first.
Like, one of my best videos. I
When
didn't
you
get
grow
no
kids,
faces.
are they going to have a tail, so would it hurt?
Huh?
They're going to grow tails, so...
Yeah,
would they,
tails. Ariel, get over here.
Will they hurt?
She's in the room.
No.
No, that's enough. This video. No.
Bye.
Yep. Bye, YouTube. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and...
Press the bell for the notification.
Okay, I find that funny. I find that funny.
If you're new here, subscribe and keep up on our channel.
Yeah, we were actually supposed to have a break for like 3 days.
3 weeks.
So, yeah.
Exactly 3.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching that video. If you did watch it, please subscribe.
Thank you
and hit
for
that
watching
like
that
button.
video. If you did like it,
This
please
is my
subscribe.
sister Jessie, who played as Poppy, and who played as Ariel here.
Ariel.
Ariel. Please subscribe and hit that button. Bye, guys. I love y'all, and please subscribe.
Bye.
Say your final bye.